Hey, this is Clint from CT Mad Mods, and today it's Snowpocalypse 2023. And buddy Todd just called me and said blew the front diff in my plow truck. Here's the front diff we pulled out of Todd's truck. The pinion was getting all into the diff there, so he's had this thing out a bunch of times, and looks like it's finally giving up the ghost. That's bad. And I just bought him a transfer case just the other day from this guy, and there's a front diff in this truck right here. So he's on his way over here. I'm gonna start digging this sucker out. But first, I gotta find out if it's the right gear ratio. So, about to check it out right now. I'll let you know. All right, this is about a 2007 Chevy. And what you do is you get in it and you open the glove compartment. And inside the glove compartment, you get these codes right here, and it'll tell you what diff is in it. So go check it out. And of course, you know I got some help.
The dude.
Look who just showed up. I thought you were delivering this to somebody.
I am. I'm coming here first. I can't do that to you.
Okay, whatever. Go deliver it.
No.
And I don't know where he's at. He was in Eagle River. He's on his way back.
Okay.
You got the jack in the back of your truck.
Yep.
Yeet. All right, hey, let's get in the truck. Come on. Tell me what you're doing, Todd J. Anderson.
I'm sweeping the diff off so I can hopefully get to it and yank it out this truck right here so I can go pew it into my truck so I can go plow all night basically.
Yeah.
By the time I get it in, it's gonna be half the night gone, and
Red Bull will be running through your veins.
I usually start plowing about 11. So I'm on a mission to get this thing out so I can get it into my truck and go start plowing it up. Rah!
Yeah, I told everybody that you smoked the front diff. And we could have done this a few days ago whenever I said, hey, do you want a front diff out of that thing too?
Dude, I think you asked me for a different transfer case. I don't think you asked me for a diff.
No, and I asked you about another transfer case too.
Because I don't have any record of there was no text or nothing.
No, there wasn't a text because I said it to your face.
Oh.
I said like this. I said, hey,
Phone, no?
hey, that guy's got a front diff too. You want that?
No shit.
And you said like this. You said,
they're super easy to read.
no, I'll rebuild the one that's in my truck.
They're super easy to rebuild till you smoke a carrier, and then you ain't got a carrier to rebuild. Then it ain't so easy.
So just so we're clear, 4 days ago, I could have had CJ pull this thing out, and it'd be nice and dry in your shop.
It'll be sitting there ready to pew.
And here we are shoveling snow.
Dope.
All right, we out here, bro.
Oh, there went one battery already. Huh?
No.
Yep.
Really?
Yep. This probably didn't get charged whenever I brought an extra. But, the actuator is smoked.
Nice.
Or maybe not. But they just can't unplug super easy.
Right.
Yep. Okay. I know the ones on the end of the axles are like 15, 16s.
Okay. You want me to start trying to take those off?
Yeah. Yeah.
That one's gone. Do you have another battery?
Yeah. I don't know where I pewed it though.
I don't know where you put it either.
A few moments later.
Whew, we just got it out. That was hard. We wouldn't have got it done if it wasn't for this man being here. But yeah, 4 bolts, 6 bolts on the CV axles, and dropped right out. Got us a front diff. Todd's got to go drop this off. Ronan's got to go home and get some dinner. And we out of here, bro. Anyways, if you watched the video to the end, thanks for watching my video. You know the deal. Todd finally made it into a video.
But I still wanted to start to get into
Thanks, dude. Yeah.
the LS stuff again. Yeah. Thank you so much.
We out of here. Drive fast, take chances.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Come on, man. Let's go home.
Yo.